friends, my name is Lauren and I'm a librarian at the Cranford Public Library. Welcome to week 7 of our We're Gonna Make It challenge. Each week I'll give you a new idea of something to build or make, and this week's theme is marble runs. I'm going to show you how to make a marble run using cardboard tubes and a bouncy ball. But remember, you can create using whatever materials you have around your house. There's a few things you need to get started. First of all, a ball or a marble. Paper tubes. You can get super long ones, or itty bitty ones, or medium sized ones. Whatever tubes you have access to will work perfectly. You'll also need tape. Painter's tape is really good for using on walls. You can see I have some strips pre-cut on the side over there. And that's it. That's all we need. Let's get started. Okay, I want my ball to fall on my drum and make a really loud sound. Let's hear what that's like. So loud. Let's see if we can construct a system that makes it a little more interesting. I test my marble run out as I go because it doesn't always work. Your design is likely going to need a lot of modification. I know mine did. But it's important to never give up. My bouncy ball wasn't hitting the center of the drum like I wanted it to, so I had to make some changes. I decided to cut a tiny bit of tube in half and use it as a ramp. Now let's try this. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create a marble run. Remember, you can build using whatever supplies you have around your house. When you're done, have a grown-up submit a photo of your work to library@cranfordnj.org or post it in the comments below. Be sure to get your photos in by Tuesday night because on Wednesday we're going to make a gallery of everybody's incredible work. Now, let's take a look at our friends' amazing window clings that they made as part of last week's project. Ooh.